Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was looking for a small and elegant diffuser for my bedroom, and I got exactly what I was looking for in this beautiful humidifier, diffuser, salt lamp, and nightlight from Serravine. This diffuser comes with 12 different oils. Some of them are very common, like lavender and mint, and some are new fragrances to me, such as white tea and Hilton. All of them have a beautiful aroma that are strong enough to fill my whole bedroom with the fragrance of my choice. This was very easy to set up right out of the box. I simply filled the water to the max line, choose the fragrance of my choice, sprinkle in a few drops, and put the lid back on. Then I was able to choose between all of the different colors to give my bedroom the specific vibe that I'm looking for. Whether I'm cleaning my bedroom or trying to fall asleep or reading a good book, I've got a friend right there beside me. So if you're looking to add a little comfort and beauty to your room, then I think you're going to love this oil diffuser from Serravine. And that's my point of view.